Hey guys, Angie here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a tutorial on 3 easy ways to do a messy bun. Let's get started. So first thing you're going to need is a tail comb, regular hair elastic, and then also some bobby pins. I've got some big ones, I've got some smaller ones. So we'll be using both of those, and then also some hairspray for those baby hairs, and then some texture spray. You can use whatever one you like, or dry shampoo. I'm using the Moroccan Oil dry texture spray today, and also the Osis Freeze hairspray for my hairspray today. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to kind of want to give a cushion to your bun. So I like to do a little bit of teasing and pull my hair back so that way it's a little more secure. Show you guys kind of give it a little bit of cushion like so. This just kind of helps everything look a little bit neater when you put it back into a bun. I find that it helps hold it a little more secure, and then you're gonna also want to take the sides and then kind of do the same thing. Spray it. You look a little funny right now, I know. And then the other side, kind of tease back there. Hairspray it. And then you're gonna kind of have a little bit of a cushion to work with. Looks a little funny right now, but I promise, trust the process. Comb it all back like so. So that way you don't see the teasing you did, obviously. So once you've selected where you want your messy bun, I'm gonna do mine a little bit higher for this one. You're going to secure it with a elastic, like so. So for this one, you're gonna wrap it twice, and then on the third one, only pull it a little bit through, like so. It's gonna look a little funny. And then you're gonna have your ends hanging out here. And so what you're gonna do with that is you're going to kind of twist them and then wrap them kind of around the bun here. And then secure it with a bobby pin like so. So your bun's gonna be looking like this right now, and then what you're gonna do is you're going to kind of pull at this top part here and then secure it with some bobby pins. And then once your bun is secure, you can kind of go at it, and I like to use a tail comb to kind of loosen up, give some volume in the front, and make it look a little more messy. And then you can also pull out your baby hairs if you want. Easy peasy, just pull out the sides. And then voila. This one's a little bit long, but you get the gist. There's your first messy bun. Let's go on to messy bun number 2. Okay, so for the second messy bun, you're going to pick where you want your bun. I'm gonna do this one higher as well. These are all kind of higher messy buns. So pick your spot and secure it. And this time we're gonna go around it 3 times, so that way it's nice and snug. Like so. And then kind of do a little spray for those baby hairs. Make it look nice. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our ponytail here, split it into 2 sections like so, and then wrap it or twist it around each other like this. Not a braid, but just a twist. And then once you have your twist here, you're going to secure it with a little mini elastic. And then you're gonna kind of pull at this just a little bit, kind of loosen it up. Don't pull it too much, because then you'll pull it out of the actual twist. Kind of give it a little hairspray so you get those little extra hairs down. and then just wrap it like so. And then secure it with some bobby pins. And then you can kind of play with it. Spray down those little babies. And then, just like the other one, pull out your little baby hairs. And then that is Messy Bun number 2. Super cute, super fun. This one's a little bit neater, a little bit cleaner. You can also, obviously, add some more volume to it, make it a little more messy if you want. And there you are. Easy peasy. Now let's go on to Messy Bun number 3. So you're going to pick where you want your bun. I'm gonna do another high one, so nice and high up there. This one you're gonna wrap 3 times so it's nice and snug. Spray those baby hairs, because I have so many. And kind of add a little bit of volume. And then we're gonna take a little bit of texture spray in your ponytail to kind of add volume. And then what you're gonna do is you're going to actually braid your ponytail. And then you're gonna take your braid, it's a little bit messy, and just kind of loosen it up. And then you're gonna kind of just wrap it and secure it with a bobby pin. And then you can kind of pull at this one too a little bit. This one's a little more neat, so that way it kind of stays put. Then what I'll do is I'll just kind of pull out some volume around it and then pull out those baby hairs. And then voila, bun number 3. So there you are, 3 easy messy buns to do for whatever it may be, the gym, work. They're kind of more put together than just slapping it up and then just winging it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know what you guys want to see next. Bye.